Example 2. Most internet users utilize two-factor authentication to protect their online data. 926 consumers were asked if they utilize two-factor authentication to protect their online data, and 482 of them responded with yes. Test the hypothesis for the following claim. Consider the claim that most internet users utilize two-factor authentication to protect their online data. Now, the first thing is we need to check the requirements. Now, since this is a proportion, then we need to find and calculate the values of NP and NQ. So we first need to identify the values of NP and Q. Well, we know that the sample size is 926. Now, since this says most internet users, that means that P is going to equal 0.5. And Q is going to equal 1 minus 0.5, which is 0.5. So we want to check to make sure that N times P is greater than or equal to 5, and N times Q is greater than or equal to 5. Well, if we take 926 and multiply it by 0.5, which is the same for N times Q, we get the value of 463. And 463 is greater than 5, so then we would say that the claim, the claim meaning that most internet users would be the claim, in this case would be the proportion, is greater than 0.5, is a claim about the population proportion P. So we can use the normal distribution provided that the requirements are satisfied. And since N times P and N times Q is greater than or equal to 5 are both true, we can then proceed.